Now here is how we can turn off call screening on the iPhone. So if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe right now and we can get into it. So we just go to the settings app as usual with the main page, and at the bottom we can find the apps section. So all of the apps are in here, and from this list we scroll through the alphabetically ordered apps and find the phone. Right, so we just click on phone, plenty of things, but below we need to find the screen unknown callers section, right? So this is what it's titled, and there are three options to pick between. So there is the never, then ask reason for calling, and a silence. So it is up to you to decide which one you want to apply to your situation, but most likely you want to set it to never if you want to turn off the call screening feature altogether. So the never means that calls from unsaved numbers will ring and missed calls will be displayed on the recents list. As usual, nothing really is going to happen to them. But you of course know that calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before iPhone will ever ring. This is like one of the newer features. So if you don't want to have the screening enabled, just go to never, and that's essentially the thing. Below we also have the call filtering by unknown callers, but that's like just separating those people who you don't have saved in like a different category, but that's up to you as well to decide if you want to have it. But essentially that's all that I wanted to show you in this quick video. If you like this type of tutorials where we just go straight to the topic, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them, and I'll see you later.